Hey guys, it's Lisa coming at you with a new review. I had mentioned I was gonna do a review on the Anastasia and Amrezy palette, and today is the day. I'm gonna do some swatches as well. Hopefully they turn out okay, so you can see how it works on people my complexion and whatnot. I know this review is a little late, but I wanted to make sure I used it a lot before I told you if it was worth it or not. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, I'll link my Amrezy palette playlist above. But I did 2 Valentine's Day look. I created this everyday work look with it. This is like my current go-to from it, as well as a couple more. I'll leave a playlist and it'll be in there so y'all can check it out if you're interested to see the looks I created with it. This is what the palette looks like. It's a very nice sparkly palette. It is $65 Canadian. There we go, $65 Canadian. It has the same like sparkle feature as the Anastasia Sultry palette did. I think that released a year and a half ago, maybe 2 now. I'm not sure. I own it. I looked at it the other day and I still haven't used it. So I might pull that palette out and make some looks with it. We'll see. But yeah, this is a really pretty palette. It's pink, and I'm not the biggest fan of pink. I don't like pink. Like, it's okay, it's just not my color, you know, it's not my jam. Purple is my thing, hence why I got the Norvina palette for no reason other than the packaging was purple and it had purple shades. But that's another video for another day. But this is what the palette looks like. It has 16 new shades in there, and it says you can create looks from daytime to a glamorous nightlife look. Like I said, this palette is $65 Canadian, which was more than that Jackie Aina palette, which was a great palette. It's a great palette. I'm gonna start doing some videos featuring that one. If you're interested in that, let me know in a comment down below or thumbs this video up if you want to see a bunch of looks using that palette. But yeah, these are the shades in here. I used all of them except Resi because that's a really bold pink, and I don't know where I'd be going with that, to be honest. It's maybe when spring actually hits my city, because currently it's snowing, I might bust it out. In this palette though, my favorite shades are Dragon right there, as well as Leo. Leo's a really pretty shade. I just did a video with it. I'll link that up above as well. It's a very pretty shade, a lot of fallout. And I kind of really like it just because it's Leo and I'm a Leo, August 7th, you know, my zodiac sign. I'm a little weird like that. I also do like the shade 1988. That's my birth year as well. I know, I'm so weird, guys. I like little things. And I'm like, yeah, you know, I can justify that palette because it has A, B, C, and D. But that's a really nice, like, crease shade. I have this in my crease today to darken it up a bit. As well as, I'm a big fan of New Yorker. I don't know. I'm not from New York, so I can't do it. And OG, which are these two transition shades right here. Super beautiful, super blendable. I do like Gemini as well as Liddy. A lot of fallout though because they're like pressed glitters and whatnot. So this is the palette. It's a really pretty palette. I really enjoy it. I'm going to show you some swatches of it. So wish me luck because I don't do swatches ever. First one is Georgina, which is that one right there. Next is Gemini, which is a pressed glitter, which has a crazy amount of fallout, which any pressed glitter does. Right there. Next there is Leo. And I'm barely pressing into these guys, so they're super pigmented. That's Leo right there. Hold on. Gotta get a makeup point for this. For my fingers. Then there's Dragon. Right there. Cupcake. These swatches are getting worse. Liddy. It's another pressed glitter right there. Let's see. Barb, which is a nice duochrome one, which has like a blue based duochrome to it, which is super pretty. Can't really see it on camera. It looks like that. Wasted. Which is this one right there. Yugo, which is a beautiful like deep shadow. It would be like perfect for a date night smoky eye. Right there. BK, which is just a nice black shadow. $19.98, which is really pretty chocolate brown. Semsa, which is this one. Running out of arm space. Right there. Oh boy. Semsa kind of stained my finger, so give me a second. OG. New Yorker. Anastasia. And lastly, Resi. This looks really pretty hot pink. Right there. As I was saying, y'all, the shadows are super pigmented. I quite enjoyed this palette. I am going to put it down for a bit because I do have a haul coming up where I bought the Anastasia, no, not the Anastasia, the Natasha Denona Love Palette, and I haven't even attempted to dabble into it because I've been really into this palette. If you have this Amrezy palette, let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed it as much as I did. What was your favorite eyeshadow from it? If you were on the fence of getting this eyeshadow palette, I do recommend it. It does say it's limited edition. It isn't sold out as of right now when I was on Sephora. So they're probably going to restock it again because, you know, everyone really seems to like her. She did have a palette with them like years ago. She did have their highlight collab with them as well, which was super pretty, which I also own. But yeah, if you enjoyed this swatch video with my little mini review, leave a comment down below, thumbs it up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, and follow me on all my social media. It will be listed down below, and I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.